Good day, ma'am. I am Sati Aizaronolo from BSHM 3A of Mindanao State University, Maigo School of Arts and Trade. So, for today's video, I'm going to present the different weather in Bahasa Milayo, the flavors, the places, and the last one, the fruits in Bahasa Milayo. So, for number one, the different weather in Bahasa Milayo. Cold is sejuk, hot is panas, windy is pirangin, sunny is cerah, raining is hujan. So for the number 2, the flavors in Bahasa Milayo, spicy is pedas, sweet is manis, salty is masin, sour is masam, bitter is pahit. So for number 3, the places in Bahasa Milayo. Supermarket is Pasar Raya, grocery store is Kiday Runshit, farmers market is Pasar Tani, night market is Pasar Malam, for the shopping mall is Pusat Membili Mula. So for the number 3, we have the places in Bahasa Milayo. Parking is parkir, toilet is tandas, dining hall is diwan makan, bench is bangko, hospital is hospital, pharmacy is pharmacy, clinic is clinic, the hospital, the clinic, and the pharmacy, the same pronunciation but different. Mosque is masjid, prayer room is sarau, bank is bank, the same pronunciation. Exit is pintu keluar, the entrance is pintu masuk. So for the number 1, the last. So for the last one, we have the fruits. So fruits in Bahasa Milayo is uwa or uwahan. Banana is pisang in Bahasa Milayo. So there are types of pisang in Bahasa Milayo. We have pisang abu, pisang tuba, pisang pirangan, pisang raja, pisang nangka, pisang angas, pisang anggur, pisang tanduk, pisang awa, pisang susu, pisang raja udang, and pisang rastali. Coconut. Coconut in Bahasa Milayo is kilapa. So there are types of kilapa. Kilapa pandan, kilapa jinja, kilapa gading, kilapa hijau, kilapa mira, and kilapa kuning. Watermelon is timbikay. Water in Bahasa Milayo is air. Honeydew is timbikay susu. Pineapple is nanas or ninas. Grape is anggor. Tamarind is asam jawa. Java is jawa. Garcinia is asam gilogor or asam kiping if it is dry. Peas is kiping. Apricot is the same pronunciation, apricot. Mango in Bahasa Milayo is pau, which pau, or manga. Manga or pau. There are types of mango in Bahasa Milayo. We have makang or bakang, quini, mangga ipal. Ipal is apple. Mangga erwin, mangga gulik, Gulik means rule. Mangga mado. Mangga gidong gincho. Mangga harum manis. Harum means fragrant and sweet is manis. Star fruit is bilimbing. Bilimbing or bulo. Bulo means bamboo. Papaya is bitik. Jackfruit is chimpidak. Jackfruit is nangka. Chermay. Sapu dila is chico. Sugar apple is buwa nuna. Breadfruit is buwa sukon. Bread means roti. Grapefruit is limaw gidang. Lime or orange is limaw. Limaw. Permisimon is pisang kaki. Umbrella or ambra is kidondong. Noni or cheese fruit is mingkodo. Lanzons is langsat. There are types of lanzons. We have rambay, doko, and duku. Cherry is cherry, the same pronunciation. Pomegranate is dilima. Durian is durian, the same pronunciation. Rambutan, pulasan. Apple in Bahasa Melayu is ipal. Cashew apple is gajos. Corn is jagung. Guava is jambu batu. Pink guava is jambu batu mira. Water guava is jambu air. Jambu bowl is jambu kipal or jambu bowl. Nutmeg is buwa pala. Kiwi is buwa kiwi. Marian plum is kundang. Wintermelon is kondor. Buwa jiring. Dates is korma. Chestnut is buwa birangan. Stinky beans is buwa pitay. Buwa kerdas. Fig fruit is buwa tin or ara. Yellow pear is buwa lay. Green pear is buwa pear. Lychee is lychee, the same pronunciation but different spelling. Orange is buwa orange. Mandarin orange is limaw mandarin. Calamansi lime is limaw kasturi. Key lime is limaw nipis. Kaffir lime is limaw purot. Pomelo is limaw bali or limaw tambon. Lunggan is buwa mata kucing. Mangustin is manggis. Passion fruit is buwa makisa. Noni is buwan mingkudo or buwa milaka. Undi-undi is buwa milaka. Mulberry is buwa mulberry. Dragon fruit is buwa naga. Betel nut fruit is buwa pinang. Strawberry is strawberry. The same pronunciation but different spelling. Pumpkin is labu. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Bye!